Welcome to NASA's Do-It-Yourself podcast tutorial. My name is Denise Miller, and I'm the DIY podcast coordinator. With DIY Podcast, you can create multimedia projects starring you, your students, and NASA experts, including astronauts on the International Space Station. In session 1 of our 6-video tutorial, we will define podcast. Our goal is that by the end of the series, you and your students will be able to create your own podcast. Let's begin by answering the big question. What is a podcast? A dictionary definition says, a program, as of music or talk, made available in a digital format for automatic download over the internet. In other words, a podcast is a series of audio or video files served to you in a subscription format. You can download a podcast from a website. There are free applications on the internet to download and play podcasts. These applications may be called podcatchers because they would automatically catch the new episode once you've subscribed to a podcast. I describe a podcast as a way to share and receive knowledge with the world. I can learn on the go while watching a video podcast or listening to an audio podcast. I can subscribe to a podcast to have new episodes delivered to my computer or mobile device automatically. Most people have computers or mobile devices that play podcasts. You're watching this video, so you can probably download podcasts too. With a couple of quick downloads, you can begin building your own podcast. Let's look at some of NASA's podcasts to better understand what a podcast is. NASA offers podcasts in both audio and video formats. Just a note here, sometimes video podcasts are called vodcasts. Some of NASA's podcasts are available in both formats. A podcast, like a TV show, can have several episodes. You can subscribe to the podcast to have it delivered to your podcatcher, or click Listen Now. Podcasts are a convenient and possibly entertaining way to learn something new. I forgot to mention that most podcasts are free. You can use this media in the classroom to teach or reinforce a subject. You might want to assign watching a NASA podcast episode as homework. But remember, our goal is for you and your students to create your own product to share with the world. We know you're busy, so we're going to show you how NASA's DIY podcast makes it convenient for you to build podcasts without starting from scratch. But for now, you have an assignment. If you've never subscribed to a podcast, check out a podcast directory and find something that interests you. Learn a language. Listen to a book review, exercise, whatever you like. Just find something you like and subscribe to it. Download it to your phone, computer, tablet, or MP3 player. On our next episode, we'll tour NASA's DIY podcast site and explain how you can use it with your students. That's it for this session. Now you know what a podcast is. I'm Denise Miller. Thanks for watching NASA's DIY podcast tutorial.